Okay, you see here Qualcomm HS USB QD loader. Okay, it is in the device manager. Now go here, port, and you have to set value. I have the file here, Lenovo firmware. Okay, next. These are the process program EMC. This is called chipset. Okay, chipset number. This is a raw program. There is a list of scatter files. Scatter files means list of Android partition files. This one is a security one. Okay, next give OK and give start. It is downloaded too. Yeah, this step is must. Firewall should has to come. If it is not working, it will show some sagara like that. Okay, it is not the right process. Yeah, now it has finished 467 seconds. Okay, now it is passed. Okay, we are going to remove the battery and insert reset it will work. Yeah, I have removed the cell phone. Okay, that only it is removed, shows removed past. Okay, shows, now it shows logo. Okay, it is on processing stage. It will take another 1 or 2 minutes. Initial process. Okay, let's see this. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.